Hey guys, check out this beautiful over the toilet storage cabinet. This storage cabinet is great if you don't have a whole lot of storage in your house, in your bathroom. There's so many different things on here, so let me show you a little bit. First, I love this design on the doors. It's just not plain, gives it a nice little touch. I love the black little handles here. I'm gonna open it up. You have plenty of storage in here. We just got it, so I don't have a whole lot in here yet. But this is where it's great. You can store stuff that you don't want to have out, whether it's Q-tips, I have Band-Aids, some extra soap, stuff like that, keeps it away. It's also really nice. This shelf in here is adjustable. I have it right in the middle right now, but you can adjust it up a little bit or down. So that's really nice too. So then I have some shelves over here. Right here's a nice long one. And this is really cool. You actually have a built-in toilet paper roll. So you can go ahead and you just open it up. There's a rod right in here for your toilet paper. And you just stick it right through there. It's easy to use. Rip it down. You have a couple more shelves at the bottom. Those ones are nice and tall. I really like that. And then it fits right over your toilet nicely. You can also use this over top of a washing machine if it fits underneath there nicely. I like how there's a shelf on top. You can decorate it, put whatever you want up there. It does come with some brackets, so you can go ahead and attach it to the wall so you don't have to worry about being tipped over or anything like that. This took about 45 minutes to put together. It's really sturdy. It's really stable. It's not going to go anywhere. And I just love how it looks in my bathroom, especially if you have small spaces and you need that extra little bit of storage. This is a wonderful option.